Hi everyone, let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1968 Pontiac GTO in a sequence of my 1 to 18 GTO Diecast cars. I have already shown the 1964, 65, 6 and 7 GTOs. So let's go on to the 68. But before we unbox it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, give me a thumbs up, and share my video. Let's go on. So, once we've unboxed the car, we can now take a better look at it. This is a very nice 1968 Pontiac GTO, and as we can see, it's been radically changed from 67 to 68. I'll soon show a 1969, and we'll be able to see the differences. Let's take a look at this front here. That looks very nice. This front grille, which has hidden headlights, usually has a couple of openings here that fold up or down. I don't know exactly where, but we can see the headlights and the GTO badge right here, as well as this spoiler with the blinkers. They're made in pieces of acrylic, pretty realistic. Let's take a look at the engine. This hood doesn't have a very big opening, but we can still see the engine bay and the engine with all components in there. They just didn't do the cabling and not the cables and wires, but the hoses and pipes and stuff like that are all there, just like the other components we can find in the engine bay. So this car is pretty much well done. It's pretty nice. I also like this hood, and the openings here are actually fake, or just mocked by painting, but they're okay. They're nice. I really like the realism of these new wheels and tires. I cannot find this in some different older Euro models. Just like the trim around the wheels, the wheel wells, and around the windows. They were made with a painting in this version, but they were not made like this before. The interior is pretty nice. It's all made in plastic. The seats fold towards the front. The back seats are pretty realistic. There are no seat belts, but we can see all items in there. There's no headliner, but on the dashboard is pretty nice with all buttons and knobs and gauges, as we can see in other cars. The trunk lid is fixed, but I'd rather have the fixed trunk lid than an opening one with a poor quality. Tail lights are pretty nice and realistic, as well as a bumper. And driver's side, we can see the pedals, steering wheel, which moves as we steer the front wheels, just like the other 1 to 18 scale models. Seats, which are very nice, as well as door panels. And last but not least, the bottom of the car. This car is not a unibody, for what I know, so it's actually a chassis and body. Chassis and body are all made in a big black piece of plastic, which is pretty well made, with a pretty much realistic gas tank. It could be silver, but it's still realistic. Mufflers are very well made, as well as the shocks and the rear and front suspensions. They're not operational. They actually don't have any springs, no coil springs, but they do mock the original ones very well, as well as the engine and tranny. We can see the oil pan, we can see all components in here, which are very well made, as well as the exhaust manifolds. It's pretty nice. So I really think this is a very nice car to have in a diecast car collection, especially if you like muscle cars just like I do. So I thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to share it, to give me your thumbs up, to subscribe my channel, and to click the bell for news. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.